Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in a lab show. Chapter 41, so here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Rantau. No, I really didn't sleep well. Well, definitely. Rantau, she was really worried about her friend. Of course, she really cares about her. Right now, Tao Tao. Dear guests, please get ready. The filming will begin soon. Trying to speak, but right now they got interrupted because the filming is going to be start. Okay, let's go. Rantau said, yeah. Well, definitely, she want to ask other questions, but right now, the filming is gonna start, that's why they get interrupted. The two of them are going back to the set. At this moment, Janyue, Janjan, don't feel any psychological burden. Liking you is my business, and I didn't want you to worry about me. Hey, how can there be no psychological burden? Janjan said to herself. Right now, she wants to restrain her feeling. In the last episode, we said that today's breakfast would be determined based on everyone's point on the island. The ones with the most points are Teacher Su and Tao Tao. Oh, it turns out, after all, it's lab show. In order to show Tess tacit understanding of the guests is these episodes. You need to choose the breakfast you like and the one with teammates think you like from this file of breakfast. Turns out the two of them are still partners. Tao Tao and Teacher Su will start first depends on whether you and your partner have a mutual understanding during this period. Of course, humans know what Tao Tao's like, right? Since the two of them are living together, you are so calm. Are you not afraid of being hungry? Or do you really think that I have a telepathic connections? Oh, Tao Tao. Well, definitely. She has some idea. And this all started. Suman chose sandwich, milk, coffee, and peach. Oh, what about Rantau? What is she going to choose? Well, did she really know Suman? Definitely only want to eat food, but right now, she really chose a lot of things. 1,000 selections of sandwiches, coffee, steamed dumplings, soy milk, fried dough sticks, and black plums. So it turns out she want to eat all of that. Well, definitely. Seems that they're really having fun. Let's see, and what will happen next? Well, the two of them seems to be serious. Suman only chose 4. For Rantau, it was really a lot. A cup of coffee in the morning can reduce swelling. The milk is for Tao Tao. Suman said to the judges. Well, she seems to be serious, right? But suddenly she looked up on Tao Tao. After all, the child is still growing. Oh, it turns out she called Tao Tao a child. Well, definitely Tao Tao. She was really acting like a child all the time. Right now, Tao Tao was looking at her. What kind of kid is this? And who is still growing up after entering university? Well, Tao Tao seems to be right. Suman, is she really overacting? Well, definitely she is. Tao Tao is blushing. Frontal said that if someone handed her a glass of milk, it was a love. Oh, this is really getting crazy. Why are you talking so vague? Suman said, because I like peaches, so she chose peaches. For Rantau, what kind of plot is this unfolding? Well, definitely. Okay, finally I understand. Didn't I just tease her last night and she actually took revenge on me in front of the camera? As it turns out, her stepmother is still her stepmother at this moment. Well, it's a little payback last night, so that's how it's it. What about Tata? I think Miss Sue would like sandwich, coffee, steamed buns, soy milk, and fried sticks. As for the black plums, I just picked them randomly. Well, definitely the two of them are teasing each other. However, as far as I know, Teacher Sue never eat plums. Teacher Sue took the peach, and you took the plum. It's the so-called return of favors. Well, for me, it's more about teasing. Suman, you never eat. Right now, looking at Tao Tao, she really worried about Suman. She's going to eat it. That's why she gave her a lot of food. Well, definitely Tao Tao. At this moment, she was really acting worried. Stepmother, look how I obedient. I'm sensible and filial I am. Already filled court and cut the black plums for you. Well, this is really cute. Right now, what about Sumam? I can go out and have some fun tonight, right? But now, Suman, she was really thinking. Maybe she don't like it, that's why she kept herself in silence. But suddenly, she took off one. Don't worry, I will definitely not cause any trouble and will be home before 11 or 12 o'clock. Yeah, go home early, Suman said to her. Well, definitely right now. She knows that she's been teased by Tao Tao. Let's go out and play. Now, she was really acting like a child. She was really happy that it looked like she got a candy. Tao Tao is really the best. On the third day, well, definitely, it was still the black plum. Tao Tao, she continued to tease her, right? On the third day, it seems like going too fast. Well, what's wrong? Suddenly, she's not speaking. During that time, Suman ate until her mouth was irritated, but she didn't refuse. I thought she was. She was really accepting everything Tao Tao gave her. Definitely, she really loves her, right? Since at least we have two duplicates. Oh, what is she going to do? Congratulations to Teacher Sue and Tao Tao for receiving the coffee sandwich set meal. Come on, the next couple. Announcer said to them. Oh, definitely. Two of them are getting better. Fortunately, there's still sandwich to eat. Oh, it turns out Tao Tao, she is busy on eating. Suman and Chen has their own way. But why does Sumans only drink coffee? Teacher Su, I see. You've been drinking coffee. Is the sandwich not your taste? Well, definitely Suman. Going to answer her, right? Don't you like whole wheat toast? This is the breakfast I got. Would you like to have some? Well, Jan, did she really like Suman? Well, maybe she is. But right now, Suman, she was still quiet. But looking at Tao Tao on the other side, she was really curious about her. She was always looking for her. Suman is not eating but also only wants to drink coffee. But look at her, Tao Tao. She looks really tense. Maybe she remembers something or Suman is really sad. Hey guys, thanks for supporting me. Thank you for joining the membership. I am so much grateful and thankful to these angels. You're really helping this channel to have more content. And thank you for showing love, for always supporting me, especially on membership and also on Ko-Fi. I'm so much grateful. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. If you like to support me, you can support me by joining the membership so we can get more rows, so we can enjoy a lot of new manhwas. Or you can also directly support me on Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.